Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss navigating and zooming in Adobe Photoshop. Here in Adobe Photoshop CC 2015, we have what we call the Navigator Panel. You can turn on the Navigator Panel by going to the Window menu and clicking on Navigator. When you are zoomed in to an image in Photoshop, it is easy to lose where you are. By quickly checking the Navigator Panel, which is inside the red square, it will indicate the zoom area. You can also use the sliders below that to zoom in and to zoom out to your images. Navigation can also be undertaken by dragging the red square to a new position. Next is what we call the hand tool. The hand tool is used for moving the image around while zoomed in. In Adobe Photoshop CC 2015, flick panning is possible and can be enabled or disabled in the General Preference dialog box. If you're performing some close-up editing and you need to quickly access hand tool, holding down the spacebar will select temporarily the tool. Next is what we call the zoom tool. When the zoom tool is selected, the default setting is to enable you to zoom in an image in two different ways. Number one is by clicking on the desired portion of the image to zoom in and predefine increments. Next is by simply clicking and dragging to define a particular area that you wish to zoom in on. When you wish to zoom back out, you can either click on the icon with the magnifying glass containing the minus symbol, or by simply clicking the Alt key. Click to temporarily change the tool. The second method is preferable because unless you remember to click on the zoom in icon, you may zoom out when you want to zoom in next time that you come to use the tool. There are some useful keyboard shortcuts here in Adobe Photoshop, especially for navigating and zooming in. Experienced Photoshop users will often use keyboard shortcuts for navigating and zooming. I recommend that you try to learn the following shortcuts as it will speed up your workflow and productivity. It will also ultimately make use Photoshop a more pleasant and rewarding experience. The first keyboard shortcut is the Control 0. Control 0 will automatically 100% magnify the entire image. Next is the Control Spacebar. Control Spacebar will temporarily select the zoom in tool, and Control Alt Spacebar will temporarily choose the zoom out tool. Spacebar can temporarily select the hand tool. Tab can hide the toolbars and panels. Shift Tab hide the panels but keep the tools. Page up or page down can scroll up or scroll down the area contained within the screen. Shift Page up or Shift Page down will scroll up or scroll down the image in 10 different units. Control plus will automatically zoom in the image. Control minus will now zoom out the image. Those are the different Adobe Photoshop tools that you can use for navigating and zooming.